So, how do you feel about the happenings during the senior high school?
Surprising.
Are you ready for the senior high week? We're here at the Puente Centennial Pavilion. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, pero ito yung banner nila. Sana makita sila. I'm with faculty members. Hi! Hi, Ma'am Trix. Good luck sa Sela.
To get your tickets for Hybrid, it would be on Friday, 9:30 to 12 o'clock at the BG Palm Ballroom. And see your classmates sing and dance, including your faculty members. Please watch. Thank you.
Nakakandidata to na maging admin. Uy! Mabawal ganyan. Bad yun. Ganda ng buhok mo, patingin ng buhok. Oh! Pangs! No, I'm not bullying her. I'm empowering her. Are you shy? Are you excited for Hybrid? Sabog na tayo. Ano mensahe mo sa nanay mo? Hi! I'm Maria. My happiness is living. Excited for Hybrid! Magkamukha sila,
Thank you, sir.
Hi, twins! Galvanize!
Ano ba yan?
Galvanize! May mascot yung Arky. Hey! Hey! What do you say about the Valentine's Day? Ayan! Wala. Boring.
Wala, sir. Wala naman akong love life eh.
Hindi pa ako kailangan ng love life. Hindi pa love yung pamilya, di ba?
Akala ko, sir, independent.
Unconventional type of love. Dami ka ng deserve.
Valentine's. Love for family lang and friends.
Papaduy! Papaduy, sir, kasi single kami. Every day is Valentine's.
Nag-blush, blush, blush.
Tapos na.
Iniwan po niya ako.
Ano masasabi niyo sa Valentine's Day?
Boring. Walang kasama.
Walang kasama. Malay mo next year. Ay, meron dito interview eh.
I think it's a day for singles to enjoy being single.
Very good, gano'n. Ikaw.
Para sa akin, mas more on family day.
Wow, family.
Kasi, syempre po, highlight yung pag-aaral ko pa.
Yan sa baka na sa amin, mag-common race next year. Ikaw.
Araw ng yung single nagiging bitter.
Single ka ba?
Opo,
Bitter ka ba?
Oo! Ay, very shocked na.
Ex mo? Hindi nga, masaya ka nga.
Masaya ka.
You have to be happy. You don't just show them that you're happy. You have to be happy, di ba? Sa Valentine's Day. Yun po. Masaya ka ba? Thank you, bye-bye. Oh, hindi kayo kumakaway, bye. Okay lang kayo guys?
We are very happy po.
Are you happy? Mukhang kami nasaktan ah.
Ay, ayos na po.
Sige, follow my vlog ah.